Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to your Big Cartel store using DropInBlog. And in this video, you'll also be shown how to add products to your blog. Once logged into your Big Cartel account, click on Apps from the menu up top. Then find the Marketing and Promotion section and look for the DropInBlog app. Once you find it over here, click on it. You'll be taken to DropInBlog's app page, then click on Add to your shop here. And when prompted, click on Connect to give DropInBlog access to connect to your shop. A DropInBlog account will automatically be created for you in the process. You'll be directed to your DropInBlog admin account like so. In your DropInBlog dashboard, you'll see a red text box describing the final step of the installation process. Within, click on Shop Designer to go to your Big Cartel site editor. Once in the editor, under Pages, you'll find a blog page was automatically created when you installed the DropInBlog app to your Big Cartel account. Click on the blog page, then click on Publish on the lower right over here. And that's all you need to do to install the DropInBlog app and connect it to your Big Cartel store. Now let me show you how to add products to your blog posts. With DropInBlog, you can embed your Big Cartel products into your blog posts, where a reader can directly add the product to their cart by clicking on the Add to Cart button on the product. To do that, in your DropInBlog admin dashboard, click on one of the posts or add a new one by clicking here on Add Post. Today, we're going to use an existing post for simplicity. We'll go ahead and click on the first one. Once in the post editor, click anywhere in the content area where you want to place your product. We'll go ahead and find a place to insert our product. Let's choose here. Once you've chosen where to place your product, go ahead and click on the shopping bag icon over here. In the pop-up, by default, you'll see some products from your Big Cartel shop, which you can directly add by clicking on Insert here, and you have the option to look for your product using the search bar over here. For now, we'll just click on Insert on this product over here. A short code placeholder representing the product has now been injected into the post. Once you're satisfied, just go ahead and click on Save Post on the right menu. After that, just click on View Post here on the right below Save Post to look at your post in the live site. Here's your blog, and here is your product. If your product has variables like ours does, they will be accessible from within the blog post as well. And that is how you add a blog with products to your Big Cartel store using DropInBlog. Happy blogging!